Happy Father's Day, everybody. Today I'm laying low. I'm gonna keep it simple for breakfast. Okay? So, shall we get started? I have apples that I fried yesterday. I'm gonna put those in with my pancake mix. Okay? And that's it. Very simple, very easy. Keep it light. Okay, for starters, the grill's on. We're going to just light coat everything with oil. Very light. And we'll get a little smoke going. Okay, let's pour this concoction in here. Still got some chunks in there, which is what I like. Okay, I think we're about ready. Okay. So we're going to put one there. I'm going to drop one there. One there. Okay. Okay, we're just going to push these down a little bit. Okay, because what I want to happen is the dough to cook around it. Yep. Now we're going to push them down a little bit. Get them warmed up. Okay. Now, the way I make these is not the typical method, okay? I like to do a sandwich style. Okay, now that's cooked, all right? That's nice and hot. And I'm going to go 1, 2. Okay. Now these are going to sit on top of those. Okay. That's how I make them. Okay, we're going to turn them. Just going to let them be. Okay. They're done. So now I'm going to put them on top of this one. Top of that one. Top of that one. Top of that one. We're going to dress these up. Just like that. Okay. There you have it. Mike's apple griddle pancakes. There you have it, folks. Mike's apple griddle pancakes. Nothing like a nice light breakfast.